Both avoidant and narcissistic people can future fake and Hoover, but the reason behind it is completely different. A narcissistic person future fakes to control the narrative. They Hoover to pull you back into their orbit. It's about power, image, and keeping you as their supply. With an avoidant, though, they future fake to avoid conflict. They Hoover because they're either lonely or guilty, not because they're suddenly ready for real intimacy. It's about comfort and connection. Same behaviors, very different motives, and neither one leads to a healthy relationship.